Hello and welcome back to our channel. What drives a man to achieve the seemingly impossible? Today, we'll explore the motivation behind the incredible achievements of Elon Musk, one of the world's most renowned billionaires. We'll reveal the secrets of his success and uncover the underlying principles that have propelled him to greatness. Early ambitions. Elon Musk's journey to billionaire status began with a dream. As a young boy growing up in South Africa, he was captivated by the possibilities of space travel, and he dreamt of reaching the stars. He has always been a visionary, and his early ambition to conquer space laid the foundation for many of his later ventures. Vision for the future. One of the key motivations behind Musk's achievements is his unwavering vision for the future. He believes that humanity must become a multi-planetary species to ensure its survival. At SpaceX, he's working tirelessly to make this vision a reality. He's motivated by a sense of responsibility to the human race, and this determination to push the boundaries of space exploration fuels his work every day. The drive for sustainable transportation. Elon's passion for electric vehicles and sustainable transportation is another driving force behind his success. He believes that transitioning to sustainable energy is crucial to combat climate change and reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. His motivation to accelerate this transition has made Tesla the leader in the electric vehicle industry. Solving global issues. Musk's motivation extends beyond space and electric vehicles. He's driven to address global issues, such as clean energy production. Through SolarCity, he's working to harness the power of the sun, providing clean and renewable energy solutions to combat environmental challenges. The desire to push boundaries. Elon Musk's desire to push boundaries and tackle complex problems is a recurring theme in his life. He doesn't settle for the status quo. Instead, he strives to innovate and revolutionize industries. This motivation to disrupt traditional industries has led to the creation of companies like Neuralink, which explores the merging of human minds with technology, and The Boring Company, which aims to revolutionize transportation through underground tunnels. Perseverance through adversity. Elon Musk's journey has not been without its fair share of challenges and setbacks. However, his ability to persevere in the face of adversity is one of the secrets to his success. He understands that failure is an integral part of innovation, and he's not deterred by it. In fact, he views it as a learning opportunity and a stepping stone to greater achievements. Work-life integration. To truly understand Elon Musk's motivation and success, we need to look at his daily routine. He's known for working long hours, often late into the night. His work-life integration is seamless, and he finds motivation in the challenges he faces daily. The power of collaboration. Another secret to Elon Musk's success is his ability to collaborate effectively. He surrounds himself with talented teams and inspires them with his vision. He's a hands-on leader who actively participates in discussions and decisions, fostering a sense of shared purpose among his teams. Innovation through learning. Musk's motivation to achieve greatness is deeply connected to his love for learning and his insatiable curiosity. He dedicates time to reading and staying informed about a wide range of subjects, allowing him to make connections and approach problems with fresh perspectives. In conclusion, The motivation behind Elon Musk's achievements is a complex interplay of vision, responsibility, a desire to tackle global issues, perseverance through adversity, and a relentless commitment to innovation. His ability to integrate work and life, collaborate effectively, and fuel his curiosity through continuous learning are also integral to his success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more in-depth content. Understanding the motivations and principles that have driven Elon Musk to become a billionaire can inspire us all to aim for greatness. Thanks for watching.